Okay, so I will be going through all of these really quick, and then I'm gonna give my opinion at the end. So if you guys wanna just stick around for the facts, I'll stick with the facts, and then I'll go with the opinions.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
The first one is changing to per minute and per mile rates. So you guys may know, they already said that. I'll link the video somewhere in the corner so you guys can check that out. See the calculator. You can see yourself. They are making the changes. That's what it's about. Now, changes to your weekly promotions. Now they state that they are gonna be less promotions, which is understandable because now you're making so much money that that you're not gonna need no promotions. I mean, out of town surcharge. Now they are giving the another driver, the passenger, a surcharge if they're going out of the state and they use a Uber vehicle. Now then they say Uber Black SUV cancellation and wait times. They are saying that now they're gonna be changing the wait times from 2 minutes to 5 minutes and cancellation from 5 to 15. Now that's pretty stretch. And they also said that they're going to be increasing the cancellation fee to accommodate the changes in wait time. Yeah. Now the next one is going to be changes to Uber Black and Uber Black SUV eligibility. This is pretty simple. This is just have a list of cars that qualify for Lux, just to maintain that upper class status. For example, like my Lincoln MKT, they took away my eligibility to do Lux XL because if I have 7 people, I cannot carry 7 big bags. Only the really XL big SUVs can do that. So I understand, and that's where I got disqualified from, which completely on board with that. And what is congestion surcharge? Now this charge is gonna be if you have a ride that goes through past 96th Street, which is completely BS. And it's just gonna be bad, and the passengers will have to pay for that. Not us, not Uber, but the passengers themselves. Now you're gonna be paying for the train even if you don't take the train, because it's gonna be $275. So those are the major key points of these new changes.